Guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to show you a real quick recipe that I love, and if you like ice cream or nice cream, you'll love this. So this is some bananas that I had frozen. There's about I'd say 3 bananas here that have been frozen, and we have some pecans, some of my fresh almond milk, and some vanilla, and all we're going to do is stir this all into a blender. Okay, so you may want to let your bananas sit out for a few minutes just to soften up a little tiny bit. It's up to you. I put them in frozen. I have the Blendtec, and I may still have to let it sit for a few minutes, but you could try it either way. Now what we're going to do is add the milk next. So I don't kind of measure it. I just pour it in till I get, I'll show you, till I get about like that much milk. And if you need more, you can add more as you go. If you have fresh almond, you can use that. I mean, vanilla, you can use that too, but I have the imitation. And I just, the same way, I just put it in. I don't measure it. If I had to measure that, it'd probably be, I don't know, a teaspoon. Now I'm going to go ahead and start blending. Press it, like push it down. Sometimes it'll struggle like that. You just have to keep pushing it down. Get yourself a stick or something, a wooden spoon, and then just kind of give it a little push down. If you don't have a high-speed blender, do not try this. Let your bananas thaw out. And then you're just going to keep doing that until this blends really well. Make sure you add a little bit of milk as you go. You don't want to over milk it though, because then it'll be more like a milkshake. Okay, it's still blending, but here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and add my pecans. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend all this up. Here's how it's coming. So it's still thick, but it's going to be good. I'm going to give it one more blend. Okay guys, here's the final product. And you can always, if you have too much too, you can always freeze it and have it another time. Doesn't it look delicious? That's my own recipe here for the pecan, butter pecan ice cream, or nice cream, using frozen bananas. Hopefully you liked my video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell for more notifications. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.